Hey everybody, what's going on? Today we're unboxing the S21 Ultra to see what Samsung has whipped up for us this year. The display is super smooth with 120 Hz refresh rates and a pixel density of about 551, creating some really crisp colors and images. It also features an in-display fingerprint scanner. Samsung killed the design this year. It's glass on the front and back with a nice matte finish to reduce fingerprints. The design gives it that nice premium feel and weight, and while I'm not a fan of camera bumps, leaning into it by making it part of the metal chassis here actually feels and looks really classy in comparison to the way other companies have handled it. Here we've got a quad camera setup with four lenses, a wide lens with laser autofocus, periscope telephoto lens with 10 times optical zoom, telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom, and an ultra wide lens. Aside from the S21 Ultra, in the box we've got some quick start papers, a SIM tool, and a USB-C to C cable. It packs a Snapdragon 888 and comes with 3 storage capacities, which is really important to note because of the lack of micro SD and some RAM differences between the capacities. The 128 and 256 gig both have 12 gigs of RAM, while the 512 has 16 gigs. It features a truly massive battery of 5,000 milliamps that should keep you powered throughout the day with no troubles. And to top it off, it's the first Galaxy S series device to support the S Pen for those of you that enjoy stylus. That's been our S21 unboxing. Be sure to like and subscribe so you're not missing a thing, and I'll catch you in the next one.